In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards on Monday.com. If you're working with different project boards and want to streamline your processes, connecting them can be a game changer. It not only helps in managing data efficiently, but also keeps your tasks aligned across various boards. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll need to head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the web page, direct your attention to the upper right corner and click on the login button. Logging in is pretty straightforward and you'll have a few options here. You can either sign in using Google or enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose to sign in with Google, simply look for and select the email address you plan to use. After successfully logging in, navigate to the board you want to work with. This will be your main board for this operation. Now let's move to the far right column of your main board where you will notice a plus sign button. Clicking on this plus sign allows several options to appear, but what we are interested in is the option labelled Connect Boards. Select this option to begin the linking process. Upon clicking Connect Boards, you'll be presented with another prompt asking you to select boards. Go ahead and click on that and you will be shown a list of available boards. This is where you'll need to choose the other board you want to connect to your main board. Choose the board that you wish to have synchronized with your primary project board. Next, you'll see an option to create a two-way connection. This is an essential step for ensuring data flows both ways between your boards. Be sure to tick the checkbox beside this option for the full synchronizing capability. Once you've confirmed this, hit the Connect Boards button to finalize this selection. Now, even though we've got an option to create a mirror column, we're going to bypass that feature for now and focus on connecting the boards directly. So let's proceed. With the connection established, you can now start adding the data you want to reflect on your main board. It's crucial to ensure the relevant information is included here so that it shows up correctly on all linked boards. Finally, let's verify the connection by navigating to the other board. You should see that the column you added on your main board is now present on this secondary board as well, confirming that your boards are effectively connected. And there you have it. Your boards are now linked, making it easier to manage tasks and track project progress across your teams. This setup will help you cut down on time spent updating boards manually and focus on what really matters, getting things done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you